Makes routine water changes easier, eliminates spills and heavy lifting. Attaches to faucet, removes dirty water and can return clean water. Vacuums out the debris and gravel right down the drain. Simply turn on your faucet to begin siphon. Be sure to add Aqueon Water Conditioner when adding clean water to aquarium. See diagram for appropriate faucets. Water flow assembly and faucet adapter replacement parts available. Top reviews from the United States. Can't fit my old moen sink. Even though our time was really short, this product would have been a hit if it could fit my sink. In conclusion, I could remove my sink faucet thing, but the water would come out funny and it wouldn't be worth it. Returning for a refund. I didn't want to go through the hassle of playing around Home Depot cause I'm not a hardware person and have no idea what I'm doing. Long story short, I'll just stick to my bucket, strainer, and gravel siphon and leave the advanced stuff to professional fish keepers.